Today I will show you how to enable auto dubbing on your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel and you're wondering why you don't have auto dubbing, where the audio of videos is automatically converted to Spanish, French, Portuguese, Japanese, multiple languages like that. If you want to enable the automatic audio dubbing on your YouTube channel, I will show you right now how to do it. First, I'll show you what it is. Audio dubbing is...
Dall'app della fotocamera avete la possibilità di abilitare o disabilitare rapidamente foto em movimento. Você pode tirar a foto como uma foto normal.
No tiene nada especial más allá de que la opción está habilitada. Y la opción está habilitada para la foto en movimiento. Cuando ves el color, el icono
I'll try French.
no es
Ni grise ni blanche.
I like how the French sounds like.
D'action, comme si quelque chose bougeait et que le traitement était un peu trop poussé ici.
Do you see the motion photo options, and you can
This is audio dubbing, a really great feature to have your videos shown to more viewers. If you make videos in English and you want to reach new audiences where people who don't speak English, they wouldn't watch those videos, for example, now with this option it's easier to watch more videos. For as a viewer also it's great. As a viewer also it's great that you can actually watch more videos if you don't speak English. And as a creator, as a content creator like me, YouTuber, you get to have views from countries where you didn't have before so many. These settings apply to videos you upload after you change these settings, and from what I know, this is available to all the content creators, and I'm not sure if you have to be in the YouTube partner program, probably, but I'm not sure. So I will show you the settings, and if you don't see them, then I don't know what to do. So you open the YouTube studio, you go to studio.youtube.com. You go to studio.youtube.com on your phone or computer, anywhere. In YouTube Studio, on the lower left side, you have this gear icon for settings. So I will press that. On your channel settings page here, you tap on Upload Defaults. And here you will have the information that is by default set on your channel, on your videos. I have a few things in the description. By default, video, the visibility public by default, but here you go in advanced settings. And in advanced settings, I recommend to enable the automatic chapters. And if you scroll down, you see there is the automatic dubbing section, and you can tap the learn more link and read more about it. But what I have is allow automatic dubbing enabled, and I had the manually tick. You can also manually review dubs before publishing, but when I had this enabled, you can also choose to manually review dubs before they are published, but I had a few problems with this. The dubs were not actually, the audio dubbing was not working, so you can also do this only for experimental languages, the languages that are not common, like not Spanish or Italian, but maybe new languages as they are added. But I choose to disable this option. And if you made any change, you have to press save here, and it will show you that it's saved. And that's the setting I have here, allow automatic dubbing, and the manually review dubs before publishing is unchecked. I will show you how to see if a video has the automatic dubbing enabled. So close this. Okay, so for example, I have one video here, this one. I'll tap on this video and let's see, edit. Okay. So on the edit information, okay, this is the video details page, and here on this page you can tap on the subtitles, the languages info. Okay, and here you can see audio French published, Japanese published, everything. If you had to review some of these languages, they would be needing review. I don't have the review, it's just my language. I don't have the review, manually review. I didn't enable the manual review before publishing, so they're all public as they are done. And then title and description, they also published. So you have audio and subtitles, as the automatic translations are done, it will also show here, I believe. This is not really important. What's important here is the audio and the titles and descriptions. They will also be translated together with the audio, so the whole experience is in the language. It's not just the sound, it's the title, description, and the sound. So that's really good. I can tap on one of these languages, and you can see the dub here, and I can actually delete it. If you don't like the dub, you can choose to delete it or set it to draft. I didn't choose an option. I didn't try to upload. Here you can see the title, that it's also automatically translated into German, and the subtitles, you can add them. So for each language you can actually add the information manually, but for the dubs I didn't really try to upload manually, but I don't speak many languages anyway. The language I speak Romanian here is not in the list, so it doesn't really matter. Later maybe I will do manual Romanian soundtrack. So that's how you see the languages for the video, and you can change. So upload manual, let's try it. Let's see what can I upload? It's for subtitles. Yeah, so this is how you can check if the audio dubbing is enabled on your channel. That's how you can check if the audio dubbing is enabled on your channel, but you only check on videos you publish after you change this setting. The older videos, they will not change as far as I know so far. Maybe in the future there will be an option to enable audio dubbing for those also. I would enable the audio dubbing for all videos just so it's easier to reach new audiences and it's easier to watch. But someone watching the video if you speak multiple languages and you want to hear the original sound, you always have the option here in the YouTube player to choose the original. So I press here and that's the original. In the future, hopefully there will be an option to translate from German or Italian to English, and then you see German as original. So that would be interesting. There are the subtitles, so really I use the subtitles when I watch a video in a foreign language that I don't understand, and I could use the subtitles, but audio dubbing, it's an extra step to get the video easier to watch. Thanks for watching. I hope you get audio dubbing working, and I hope you like it. This works really well if you are speaking in the video and you don't use too many effects, and it works with music, but yeah, you have to try it and see if you like it. You might not like it, but I like it. For me, it's great. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Audio dubbing.